In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a photo gallery to your Weebly website in just 5 minutes. If you've been wanting to showcase your photos in an elegant and organized manner on your site, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First things first, you're going to navigate to the Weebly website. Weebly is a free website builder that offers a range of customizable features, making it an excellent choice for those looking to create a personal or professional online presence. So open up your web browser and head over to Weebly's homepage. Once you're there, you're going to log in with your email and password. If you have your credentials ready, simply input them and proceed to click on the login button. This will take you straight into your Weebly dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the overview page of your account. From this page, you have access to all the sites you're managing. What you want to do next is locate and click on the option labeled Edit Site. This action will open up the website editor where you can make all sorts of customizations. Inside the editor, take a look at the left-hand side where you'll see different pages of your website. You can select any page where you'd like your photo gallery to be placed. Choose your preferred page, and once it loads, you'll want to focus on the Elements section, which is also on the left. This is where you'll find various blocks and widgets you can drag and drop onto your page. Find the gallery block in this section, click and drag this gallery block over to the area on your page where you'd like the gallery to appear. This intuitive drag and drop feature is one of the highlights of using Weebly, as it allows for easy customization without needing technical skills. With the gallery in place, click on the gallery element that now appears on your page. You'll notice an option that says upload files from computer. Click on this to start choosing the photos you'd like to showcase. Select your desired images from your computer and they'll begin to upload to your gallery. And just like that, you have successfully added a photo gallery to your Weebly website. Your images will now be part of your website's gallery, neatly displayed for visitors to admire. Whether you're showcasing products or sharing beautiful moments, having a gallery is a fantastic way to engage your audience visually. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for following along, and we hope this guide helped make your website even more appealing. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful content. See you in the next video.